I know. Our friends and family. It's about 500 days to go.
Thanks, Anthony. But I'm...
Yeah, the others wanted to come and see you on too.
Well, why didn't they?
Oh, they did.
Next time, let's put it there.
Who the heck is she? I used to have a figure like that.
One ticket to anywhere. Xander?
I have a sister. An ugly sister.
Hey, guess what? It's the sweepers. I'm learning about those and taking them. Not them. Us! To Madame Gasket's cha-cha. And guess who's really behind it all? You don't want to guess? Come on. I ran all this way in cha-cha heels.
Come on, take a stand.
Ratchet.
Ratchet.
Listen to me, listen to me. You won't last a week. Okay, settle down. I got a plan. Let's all get out.